Assalamu alaikum. As you can see right now, we are at Shohid Minar of Noakhali Science and Technology University, and beside me my two dear juniors, Tarek and Tanvir. So they will introduce themselves in front of you. So let's go.
Assalamu alaikum.
Tarek, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Tarek. I am from Nilphamari. I am first year student of law.
So Tanvir, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Tanvir Islam Mahim. I am from Chittagong. I am a first year student of Department of Law.
So thank you so much both of you for giving introduction in front of my friends or audience. But Tarek was so excited to introduce himself before asking question. So, but Tarek is so good boy, and I love them a lot, and that's why I before coming here I spent some time, or I can say that we were walking throughout the campus. So after coming here, we saw that this place is so amazing right now, and no one is here, and no noise. So that's why we are passing time. So I can say that we are enjoying our time.
Yes.
Thank you so much.